So I get a call from the debt collection agency. The lady's like, Rishad, this is a debt collection agency attempting to collect the debt. I said, whoa. Only my mama called me Rishad. You call me Zxulu. She said, okay, Rishad. I said, oh, all right. So then she goes on to say, and according to federal laws, this is an attempt to... I said, oh, tell Rishad what is federal law. What's the federal law that you speaking about? She said, huh? I said, yeah, you just said in accordance to federal laws. So what federal law are you moving forward accordingly? So that way I can be in accordance with federal law with my answers. She said, huh? I said, did you not just tell Rishad that you was moving forward and according to federal laws? Well then tell Rishad what laws you moving forward in. So they got silent for a second. Then all I heard her say was, just pay your bill, you little punk bitch. That's that bullshit.